You are scrolling Zillow, Pinterest, and every home building website you can find, burning through weekends doing research, trying to figure out how to get a beautiful home built without draining your entire life savings. Then you stumble onto something that stops you cold. A black and white cottage Barndominium, 1,100 square feet, crisp white siding, black trim, black window frames, a covered front porch, and an interior that looks like it belongs in an interior design magazine. And the price? Under $200,000 turnkey in many parts of the country. That is not a typo. In 2026, the black and white cottage Barndominium has become one of the hottest small home styles in the alternative housing space. And today I am going to show you 5 of the most stunning designs, break down exactly what each one costs to build, and give you the honest information you need to decide if this is your next move. Stay with me all the way to the end, because the 5th design and its cost breakdown is going to genuinely surprise you, and I will also be sharing the one mistake people make when budgeting for a full 200 square foot barndo that can blow your budget by $40,000 or more. Before we jump in, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We cover alternative housing, barndominiums, and rural property with honest, no-fluff information every single week. All right, let us get into it. Why black and white cottage barndominiums are exploding in 2026. Let me set the stage before we get to the 5 designs, because it is important to understand why this specific style is blowing up right now. The black and white exterior palette has become the dominant trend in barndominium design in 2026, and it is easy to see why. White or light-colored metal siding paired with black window frames, black trim, and a dark roof creates a timeless, high-end look that works in rural settings. Small acreage properties, and even suburban plots where barndominiums are permitted. It is the modern farmhouse aesthetic taken to its cleanest, most refined form. At the cottage scale, meaning 200 square feet, these builds hit a sweet spot that a lot of people are chasing right now. They are big enough to live in comfortably with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open concept living area, but small enough to build for significantly less than a traditional home. According to 2026 data from Angie, a 200 square foot barndominium costs between $112,800 and $144,000 at the base level, though fully finished turnkey costs, with all the details that make these builds shine, will run higher depending on your location and finish choices. Energy efficiency is another major reason people are choosing this size. Utility bills for a well-insulated 200 square foot barndominium can run up to 50% lower than a comparably sized traditional home, according to recent data. At a time when energy costs are still elevated heading into 2026, that matters. Now, let us get into the 5 designs. Design 1, the classic porch cottage. The first design is what a lot of people think of when they imagine a black and white cottage barndominium, and it earns its place at the top of this list because of how effectively it balances curb appeal with livability. The exterior is crisp white vertical metal siding from foundation to roofline. Black window frames, black corner trim, and a matte black metal roof create that striking high contrast look that photographs beautifully. The front porch is the showstopper, running the full width of the building at roughly 300 square feet, with black painted wood porch columns, black ceiling fans, and natural wood plank flooring on the porch deck. Double front doors in natural wood add warmth and break up the black and white palette perfectly. Inside the 200 square feet is laid out as a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan with an open concept kitchen, dining, and living area. Vaulted ceilings throughout the living space create the feeling of a much larger home. The kitchen features white shaker cabinets, black hardware, black faucets, and a farmhouse sink. Concrete countertops in a light gray tone keep the contrast theme going without feeling cold. This is a 30 by 40 footprint, which is the most common size for whopping 200 square foot barndominiums, and one of the most affordable to build due to its simple roofline and standard material sizing. Cost breakdown for Design 1, turnkey in the rural Midwest or South at mid-range finish. Building kit and shell, $28,000 to $36,000 foundation. Concrete slab, $8,400 to $12,000 assembly and erection. $6,000 to $9,000 spray foam insulation. $5,400 to $8,000 interior framing and drywall. $14,000 to $18,000 electrical, $10,000 to $15,000 plumbing, $8,000 to $12,000 HVAC, $7,012. Zao kitchen and bathrooms, $20,000 to $35,000 flooring, LVP throughout, $5,500 to $9,000 interior doors, trim, paint, $6,000 to $9, 00 front porch construction, $12,000 to $18,000 permits and engineering, $2,500 to $4,000 windows and exterior doors, $8,000 to $14. 00 total design 1 turnkey estimate, $141,000 to $211,000. In Texas and the rural Midwest, expect the lower end of that range. On the Pacific Coast or Northeast, add 20 to 40%. Design 2. The board and batten Black Beauty Design 2 flips the script on the typical black and white Barndominium by going predominantly black on the exterior with white used as the accent rather than the base color. This is a bold move that not everyone will love, and that is exactly why it works so well for the people who do love it. The exterior features black vertical board and batten metal siding from the ground up. White trim on the windows, white fascia boards, and white soffit under the covered entry porch create the contrast. The roof is also black standing seam metal, which gives the entire build a sharp, cohesive look. A 200 square foot covered front entry with a white painted wood pergola overhead and a natural stone pathway creates a welcoming transition from the light, dramatic exterior to the interior. Inside the design opens up significantly. White shiplap walls in the living and dining area create brightness that contrasts with the dark exterior, making the interior feel open and airy despite the 200 square foot footprint. The kitchen continues the black and white theme, with black lower cabinets, white uppers, white quartz countertops, and black matte hardware throughout. 2 bedrooms sit at the back of the plan, each with private access to a shared Jack and Jill bathroom, with a half bath off the main living area. This design does cost slightly more than Design 1 due to the board and batten exterior detail work, the stone pathway, and the higher-end kitchen finish. Total Design 2 turnkey estimate, $158,000 to $228. 00 The black exterior also tends to absorb more heat, so proper insulation is non-negotiable here. Budget for spray foam throughout, which is already reflected in these numbers. Design 3, the white farmhouse with dormers. If you want a black and white cottage Barndominium that genuinely looks like it could sit on the pages of a southern living feature, Design 3 is your answer. This is the most traditionally charming of the 5 designs and the one that tends to get the strongest emotional reaction from viewers. The exterior is all white, vertical metal siding with black window frames and trim. What sets this one apart is the addition of 2 black painted dormers on the roofline, giving the building the appearance of a story and a half, even though it is a single-story structure. The roof is dark charcoal standing seam metal. A wraparound porch on the front and side of the building adds roughly 400 square feet of covered outdoor living space, making the home feel substantially larger than 200 square feet. The dormer addition does add complexity to the build and to the roofline, which increases both material costs and labor. Dormers in metal building construction require custom fabrication and more specialized installation than a simple gable roof, and that expense shows up in the budget. Interior layout for Design 3 features a primary bedroom suite with private suite bathroom and walk-in closet on one end, a guest bedroom and full hall bath on the opposite end for maximum privacy, and an open concept kitchen, dining, and living area in the center. French doors off the dining area open directly onto the wraparound porch, creating seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Total Design 3 turnkey estimate, $172,000 to $248. 00 The wraparound porch and dormers are the biggest cost drivers here. If you love this style but need to reduce budget, eliminating the side portion of the wraparound porch and keeping just the front porch saves $8,000 to $14,000. Design 4. The Minimalist Modern Cottage Design 4 is for the person who loves the black and white palette but wants the execution to feel clean, modern, and architectural rather than rustic and charming. This design strips every unnecessary element away and lets the proportions and materials do all the work. The exterior features white smooth panel metal siding, no board and batten detailing, no decorative trim, black powder-coated steel window frames with large fixed glass panes in an asymmetrical arrangement give the facade a considered, intentional look. The roof is flat or very low pitch, which is a deliberate departure from the typical Barndominium roofline, and one that significantly changes the feel of the structure. A single covered entry canopy in black painted steel extends from the front wall, creating a modern, almost commercial-grade entrance. This design works best on a rural property with a clear view. The minimalist exterior reads as confident and sophisticated when surrounded by open land, trees, or hills. In a dense neighborhood, it may feel out of place. Inside, the modern aesthetic continues. Polished concrete floors throughout instead of LVP. White walls, exposed black steel interior window frames, open shelving in the kitchen instead of upper cabinets, and a linear fireplace built into a white drywall feature wall. The two-bedroom, one-bath layout keeps the floor plan tight but functional, with a large primary suite taking up nearly half the bedroom square footage. The flat or low-pitch roof, polished concrete floors, and premium window package make this the most expensive design of the 5 on a per-square-foot basis. Total design for turnkey estimate, $185. 0 to $265,000 worth noting. Flat or low-pitch roofs in metal building construction require very careful waterproofing and drainage planning. Get a builder with specific experience in this design before committing. Design 5, the cozy black cottage with natural wood accents. Design 5 is the one I saved for last because it tends to generate the strong reaction, and I think it is genuinely the most livable and the most visually interesting of the 5 designs. It is also the one that surprises people with its cost, and I promised you that surprise at the beginning of the video. So here we go. The exterior is predominantly matte black vertical metal siding, similar to Design 2, but the difference here is the substantial integration of natural cedar wood accents. Cedar board and batten panels on the gable ends, cedar wrapped porch columns, cedar front door, cedar window boxes beneath the large black framed windows, and cedar plank porch flooring create a warmth and texture that all metal exteriors simply cannot achieve. The contrast between the black metal and the natural warm wood tone against a white soffit and white porch ceiling is genuinely stunning. This design also features the most generous porch of the 5 at 360 square feet, with string lighting, a ceiling fan, 2 outdoor cedar rocking chairs, and a built-in cedar bench along the porch rail. The porch is not an afterthought here. It is a primary living space. Inside, the natural wood theme continues with white oak engineered wood flooring throughout, open ceiling beams in natural stain over the living and dining area, and a kitchen featuring a shiplap island painted in black with white quartz, countertop and white upper cabinets and black lower cabinets. The primary bedroom features a barn door in natural wood, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite with a freestanding soaking tub in front of a large black framed window. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 200 square feet that lives like 1,600. Now here is the number that surprises people. Because of the cedar elements, which require regular maintenance and add material and labor cost, and the premium interior finishes including the soaking tub, engineered wood flooring, and exposed ceiling beams, this design runs higher than many people expect for a 200 square foot build. Total Design 5 turnkey estimate, $195,000 to $278,000. But here is the honest perspective. When you compare that to what a traditionally built cottage with comparable finishes would cost in most markets in 2026, which runs $280,000 to $420, 0 for 200 square feet, Design 5 is still a remarkable value. The mistake that blows your budget, I promised you this, so let me deliver. The single most common budgeting mistake people make when planning a 200 square foot Barndominium is not accounting for site costs. The building itself, the kit, the interior, the finishes, those numbers are what people focus on. What gets forgotten or underestimated is everything that has to happen before and outside the building. Well drilling, $5,000 to $15,000 depending on depth and location septic system. $10,000 to $20,000 driveway, $4,000 to $12. 0 land clearing and grading, $2,200 to $8,000 utility connections or solar setup. $5,000 to $25,000 permits, $500 to $4,000, that is $25,000 to $84. 0 in costs that people regularly either forget or dramatically underestimate. On a 200 square foot build where you were hoping to keep total costs under $180,000, forgetting $50, 0 in site work will wreck your budget and your timeline. Get these numbers pinned down early, before you finalize your building budget. These 5 designs represent what is genuinely possible in the black and white cottage Barndominium space in 2026. From the classic porch cottage starting around $141,000 turnkey all the way up to the cozy cedar and black beauty approaching $278, 0 at the high end, there is a version of this style that works for almost every budget and every taste. What they all share is that distinctive black and white palette that makes these buildings look clean, timeless, and genuinely beautiful. They are durable, energy efficient, faster to build than traditionally framed homes, and in rural or semi-rural areas, they hold their value well. If you are seriously considering any of these designs, here are your next steps. Check local zoning and HOA restrictions first. Get quotes from at least 3 builders with specific Barndominium experience. Nail down your site costs before you finalize your building budget, and decide on your finish level early, because the difference between a budget finish and a high-end finish on a Feln 200 square foot build can be $60, $0 to $80,000. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are looking for honest information about alternative housing. Drop your questions in the comments below, and subscribe if you want more content like this every week. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I will see you in the next one.